Step of our machine is that we have this pendulum, which we're going to release from here. It's going to swing forward, going from full potential energy to full kinetic energy, which shows the conservation of energy. It's going to hit this combination of the ball and the mystery machine, and then that force is going to push forward and transfer its energy into the dominoes, and the dominoes show a conservation of momentum because the amount of momentum that went in also comes out and releases into this wiffle ball here, which is going to go down the ramp, which is another potential to kinetic energy change. We'll roll in this cup. The cup, because of the way it's angled, is going to flip, and then because it's already moving and there's no external force acting on it, it's going to keep moving by Newton's first law. And then at the same time that it's flipping this way, it's going to hit these dominoes again, another conservation of momentum. All the way down here, which it'll hit the golf ball, roll down the ramp, another potential to kinetic energy. The golf ball will hit this spatula, which will flip this way and push the golf ball, or the ping pong ball, into these dominoes again. And then the force of these dominoes, or the mass of these dominoes combined with how fast they're going and accelerating, will create a force which will flip this and push this ping pong ball this way, which is Newton's second law. And then from before, this cup that was basically flipping this way is going to come down, hit these books, create another domino effect on a larger scale, and then that energy that was in those books, since it can't be created or destroyed, is just going to be transferred into this other pendulum here, which will push this pendulum into this dumbbell here. And then, because every action has an opposite reaction, the pendulum is going to be pushed back, which you'll see, while this rolls forward. And then this is another potential to kinetic energy change. It will release the tension in this string, which is connected to a magnet here. So when that tension is released and the magnet is broken off from the Newton's cradle, it will release the Newton's cradle, which is the final goal of our machine.